I made a tower like the Eiffel Tower. My construction can transform into a car. My construction used 2 squares. My structure is like a house. My structure is like a shower ship. My structure has 4 triangles. My structure has 2 triangles. Mine looks like a boat. Mine looks like an excavator. My structure is cute. My tower is beautiful and it is colorful. And it has lots of colors. My structure is a bridge. My structure is a tall tower. I'm going to make a balloon blow up by itself. I'm going to use water, vinegar, and food. Baking soda, and now I'm going to do it. Now let me mix.
Yeah, I'll take this. I'll hold that for you. Get your, you want to pour the water in?
The water.
Now what's going in next?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Nice. And you want to hold the bottle for Papa to put the balloon on? Tell them what we're doing.
And now we're going to blow a balloon up by itself.
Okay, put this over there.
Next. Whoa!
Hold it up. That's cool, huh?
Yeah, it's way bigger than the blue one. Oh my! It's rushing.
Okay.
It's so funny. Oh my, what is it doing?
Awesome. Did your experiment work?
Yes.
Way to go, Dr. Layton.
We made string wheels. We got all of pieces. We needed to sand the paper so it sticks together. This is how it looks when it's sanded. We lined up to get glued together. We added popsicle sticks to hold the wheel. We folded the pieces to make the wheel. We used elastics to attach the wheel. Look at my boat go. I can't believe they actually worked. How do you make a lemon explode? First you start with this. A lemon, a knife, a spoon, some dish soap, some food dye, and baking soda. Once you put it all together, it will start to foam up. Just like the picture, it doesn't actually explode. The baking soda makes a chemical reaction. First I took out my spoon and scooped out some of the lemon. Then I put the dye in the lemon. I took my dish soap and put a few drops in. Then I add some baking soda. It takes a minute to foam up. As it foams up, it spills out of the lemon. And that's the exploding lemon experiment. Thanks for watching. How big is the biggest shield in the world? I think the biggest shield will be 6 feet long. The biggest geode is located in an abandoned silver mine near Pulpy, Spain. Biggest geode is 390 cubic feet, 11 cubic meters. This geode is said to be the biggest in the world. It is 26 feet long, 6 feet wide, 5 feet high, and lined with big silent crystals up to 6 feet long. Geodes are made when there are pockets of air inside rocks. This often happens after volcanic eruptions. Lava cools around air bubbles. These pockets leave space for groundwater to seep in, but the water itself doesn't produce geodes. It brings along minerals which stay in the rock even after the water evaporates. Here are some fun facts about geodes. Fact 1. Geodes and geode slices are sometimes dyed with artificial colors. Fact 2. Geodes can take up to millions of years to form. Fun fact 3. The rarest and most valuable geodes contain amethyst crystals and black calcite. Thanks for watching! What is the strongest animal? My hypothesis is the blue whale. The strongest animal is a gorilla. Fully grown silverbacks are actually stronger than 20 adult people combined. Silverback gorilla can lift up to 4,000 pounds on a bench press, while a well-trained man can only lift it up to 885 pounds. This is 10 fun facts about gorillas. About 1,063 exist in the wild now. Gorillas live in 2 isolated groups. We share around 98% of our DNA with gorillas. They're one of the biggest, most powerful living primates. Gorillas can eat all day long. Gorillas usually make comfortable places to sleep at night. Gorillas have 16 different types of calls. Gorillas usually live in family groups. In the wild, gorillas can live up to 40 years. If they are being threatened, consider donating to save gorillas. Goodbye. How many white tigers are in the world? My hypothesis is that there are about 900 white tigers. There is not a lot of white tigers that are born perfect. This is the life cycle of a tiger. It goes from baby to full grown to having babies of her own. Normally, white tigers have a circle of black fur behind their ears. Typically, all tigers have 10 centimeter 4-inch long claws. For example, some white tigers are born with icy blue eyes that are crossed. White tigers are only born to parents that both carry the recessive gene for white coloring. Sometimes white tigers can look a bit orange. There was only 12 white tigers seen in the wild when it was the year 2020. Like all Bengal tigers, white tigers used to live in countries like Asia. The average number of babies a white tiger has is 3 a year. Grown tigers have 30 teeth in total. There are 16 teeth in the top jaw and only 14 in the lower jaw. Tigers need very strong jaws to grab moving prey. Big teeth on a tiger are canine teeth. The canines in the upper jaw of a tiger can be as long as 3 inches. White tigers are not a species or a subspecies like some people might think. They're just a rare version of Bengal tiger. White tigers usually hunt large herbivorous animals including deer, wild boar, cattle, and goats that feed both in the jungle and on its outskirts. My hypothesis was incorrect because I thought there were 900, but there's actually 200, made by Isla Head, created with work by Google.